Most budget fail for one reason. They're built on guesses. People say, I think I spent about this much. I'm pretty sure my money goes here. I kind of know where it's going. That's not budgeting. That's hoping. Hope does not organize money. Clarity does. You don't fix money by wishing. You fix it by seeing. And that's where we start with tracking. Not forever, just one honest week. This is not complicated. For 7 days, you write down every single dollar that you spend on coffee, gas, food, apps, online purchases. There's no judgment. There's no fixing. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to be honest. 7 days is long enough to reveal patterns and short enough not to burn you out. This is not about micromanaging your life. It's about uncovering it. Around day 4, something always happens. You start noticing things you never saw. How am I spending that much here? Why does it keep showing up? When did this become normal? This is awareness. And awareness is dangerous because now you can't unsee it. And once you see it, money stops controlling you because mystery is what makes money feel powerful. Clarity is what makes you powerful. After 7 days, you don't panic, you organize. Now you take everything you tracked and sort it out into 4 categories: income, fixed bills, variable spendings, and everything else. That's it. No color coding, no formula, no optimizing systems, just truth. Income is essentially what comes in. Fixed is anything that does not change, like your car, your rent, your insurance, your phone. Variables are things that you can actually control, such as food, somewhat gas, shopping, entertainment, everything else. That's where the leaks usually high, is the variable expenses. Now the budget isn't confusing anymore. It's visual. Income minus fixed minus variable expenses equals your reality. This is the moment where people change because now you know if you're bleeding, if you're stable, if you're ahead, not emotionally, not based on vibes, but truth. And truth removes anxiety. Most people think budgeting means spend less. It doesn't. It means spend intentionally. You are not poor because you don't make enough. Most people feel poor because they don't control direction. Money that has no job creates chaos. Money with purpose creates peace. There is nothing powerful about random spending. There's nothing weak about knowing your numbers. Now you make one simple rule. Every dollar gets a job before you spend it. Food has a number, fun has a number, saving has a number, debt has a number. Not because you're strict, but because guessing is expensive. Clarity is cheap. Now you automate. Bills on auto pay, savings automatic, debt payment schedule. Not to be fancy, but to remove emotions. The less often you have to decide, the more often you win. Discipline is fragile. Systems are powerful. Budgeting is not restriction, it's permission. To spend without guilt, to say no without stress, to live without chaos. You don't feel behind because your income is wrong. You feel behind because your money is unorganized. 7 days does not fix your life, but it will reveal the leaks. And that's always the beginning. You don't win with money by working harder. You win by staying aware longer. If this resonates with you, type money in the comments.